I understand English, but I can't speak it. Sometimes we say this to ourselves in silence. I understand English, but I can't speak it. If this sounds like you, don't worry. You are not the only one. Many people feel the same way. They listen to English songs, they watch English movies and videos. They understand the meaning. They know many English words. But when they open their mouth to speak, nothing comes out. They feel nervous. They feel stuck. Some people even say, "My mind goes blank. Words don't come. Something stops me." Does this happen to you too? It's okay. You are not weak. You are not bad at English. You just need a little help. You need some simple tips. You need easy steps. That's why this episode is here. To help you, to guide you, to show you the real reason why you can understand English but can't speak it yet, and to show you how to fix this problem slowly, step by step, in very easy English. No big words, no difficult grammar, just real help in a simple way. Are you ready? Let's begin your English speaking journey. Why does this happen? You may understand English very well. You watch English movies. You watch YouTube videos in English. You listen to English songs. You read books or short stories in English. And you understand the meaning. That is very good. It means your brain knows many English words. It means you can follow the language. But when it's time to speak, you stop. You feel confused. You feel nervous. Why does this happen? The answer is simple. You don't speak English often. You don't use your mouth to say the words. You only listen. You only read. But speaking is a different skill. Speaking needs practice. Your brain and your mouth must work together. And this only happens when you practice speaking. A simple example. Imagine this. You watch cooking shows every day. You watch a chef make pizza. You know the ingredients. You know the steps. But if you never enter the kitchen, can you make good pizza? No. Watching is not enough. You must try. You must cook. Only then you become better. English is the same. Listening and understanding is like watching. Speaking is like cooking. You must do it. You must try. Yes, at the beginning it feels hard. You may make mistakes. That's okay. Mistakes are part of learning. But if you don't speak, you can never speak well. That is why you feel stuck. How to practice at home. You can practice English at home. You don't need a special class. You don't need to live abroad. Describe things around you. This is my chair. There is a book on the table. Use shadowing. Listen. Pause. Repeat. Read aloud every day. Record your voice and listen to it. Practice daily sentences. Remember, you don't need perfect grammar. You need daily practice. Final message. You understand English. That is great. Now you need practice, confidence, and time. Don't say, "I can't do it." Say, "I am learning." Start small. Use simple sentences. Make mistakes. Smile and keep going. Your voice matters. Your words matter.
You can speak English. Start today. Start now. And one day, you will speak English freely with a smile on your face.